Sarah had always struggled with her weight. She had tried numerous diets and fads, but nothing seemed to work for her. She felt like she was always either starving herself or binging on junk food, and she knew that neither approach was sustainable or healthy. She wanted to lose weight, but she also wanted to do it in a way that was balanced and sustainable for the long term. After doing some research and talking to a nutritionist, Sarah decided to try a new approach to her diet. She decided to focus on eating a balanced and healthy diet, rather than counting calories or cutting out entire food groups. She knew that this would require some discipline and planning, but she was committed to making it work. Sarah started by stocking her pantry and fridge with healthy, whole foods. She bought plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like chicken and fish, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts. She also made sure to include some complex carbohydrates in her diet, like brown rice and quinoa. For breakfast, Sarah would often have a bowl of oatmeal with fruit and nuts, or an omelette with veggies and a slice of whole grain toast. For lunch, she would have a salad with plenty of greens, some grilled chicken or fish, and a variety of veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. For dinner, she would often make a stir-fry with lots of veggies and some lean protein, or a grilled salmon with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli. Sarah found that she was never hungry on this diet, and she didn't feel deprived or like she was missing out on anything. She made sure to include plenty of healthy fats and protein in her meals, which helped to keep her feeling full and satisfied. She also allowed herself the occasional treat, like a piece of dark chocolate or a glass of red wine. In addition to changing her diet, Sarah also started to prioritize exercise. She started by taking daily walks around her neighborhood, and gradually worked up to more intense workouts like running and weightlifting. She found that exercise not only helped her lose weight, but also gave her more energy and improved her mood. After a few weeks of following this balanced and healthy diet, Sarah started to notice changes in her body. She had more energy, her skin looked brighter and clearer, and she was sleeping better at night. She also started to see the number on the scale go down, which was a welcome surprise. Sarah's friends and family also noticed the changes in her, and they started to ask her what her secret was. She told them about her new approach to diet and exercise, and encouraged them to give it a try. Some of them were skeptical at first, but after seeing the changes in Sarah's body and energy levels, they decided to give it a try. Over time, Sarah's healthy habits became second nature to her. She didn't feel like she was depriving herself or missing out on anything, and she enjoyed experimenting with new recipes and healthy ingredients. She knew that this was a sustainable way of eating and living, and she was proud of herself for making the change. In the end, Sarah lost the weight she wanted to, but she gained so much more than that. She gained confidence, energy, and a newfound appreciation for healthy living. She knew that this was a lifestyle that she could maintain for the rest of her life, and she was excited to see where it would take her.